श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तः पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि, सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Hari Om and Namaskar to everyone. So, the Sharirik Brahmana, this particular chapter that we are studying, is speaking about the supreme truth through the medium of the process of the jiva's transmigration. The previous chapter spoke about what? The same concept, talking about the truth, but through the three states. Which were the three states? Jagrat, Swapna, and Shushupti. In and through that, the truth was pointed out. And here now, it is talking about, very interesting to everyone, what? About transmigration. Transmigration is what? Cycle of birth and death. So, the Upanishad, this particular chapter, starts with saying, Sayatra. Now it's talking about death straight away. Or the time of death. What happens at the time of death? Maran samay mein kya hota hai? So it is said that here, what happens? So, this doesn't work, only this works. Okay. Abhisamayanti. All of the senses and everything, what happens? They come together. Abhisamayanti. And then what happens? They are as though come where? Hridaye. They come, not the pumping heart, they come to this eye. And then that happens, it becomes knowing, it starts knowing. What does it know? It knows where it has to go. And then what does it do? It goes. So, very interestingly it is said here that etaha, all the senses, matra, tejo matra, all the senses. I told you already why it's called tejo matra. Why tejo matra? Matra because they measure, tejo because they know. The senses have that special ability, and therefore they gather to this eye, the eye knows and it goes. What? Can you elaborate on that? Yes. The next mantra itself elaborates this particular concept very beautifully, and the whole thing is also about that, so you will know. Now we are talking about Sa Ayam Atma. When they say, which Atma are we talking about? Are you sure? Yes. It is not about the Shuddhatma, it is about the Jivatma. Now, simple understanding of Jivatma was what? What is that Jivatma? Is it somewhere around here? Not here? Where? Is it hanging somewhere? No? It is inside you? It's not outside of you? Sure? Okay, good. Because it was outside of you, you would be right. So, somewhere from within you are speaking, right? The fact that you are answering, the fact that you are actually speaking shows that it's somewhere inside. And it is there very much. And is it the experience of everyone, or is it experience of some Brahmagyanis or some great people or something? Or everyone experiences this Jivatma? Everyone. Even a child will experience this Jivatma? Yes. Even a cockroach will experience this Jivatma? Are you sure? Does the cockroach say, I? Does a bird have a Jivatma? Are you sure? Birds also? Okay, birds are good things. What about insects? Coronavirus? No. Yes. Now, see, because what happens is, it's taken about us as human beings, but this is as true of every living being, however small or big, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the Jivatma in a big person must be pretty big. Right or wrong? No? A Jivatma in a small being must be pretty small. No? But I say, if I am a big body, I say I am all of that. So isn't the I very big? So I have a small body, I'll say, supposing I am Corona. No, why should I be Corona? Rama, of all the things, why should I be? I'm a butterfly. So, I become that size of that butterfly, right? So I'm that much. I am this big. I'm an elephant. I am this big. So, am I not big and small according to my size? No? The body is big or small. The Jivatma is not big or small. Then what is the size of the Jivatma? It doesn't have a size. I'm asking all these questions to make you start thinking. Don't give straight away answers. See, heard answers are not good answers. Okay? What? Because what are you doing? You're not thinking. What you have been told, takak, you'll give. You understand? So therefore, I always say, heard answers are, you think, na? See, even if you don't have any previous knowledge of any scripture, it doesn't matter. You can answer all the questions by your thinking, na? I'm not asking questions which you cannot answer by your own thinking. Right or wrong? So let me talk the scriptures, you do the mananam. Is that okay? Mananam is supposed to be done by whom? If you repeat the heard knowledge, it is not called mananam, it is called ratanam. What is it called? And 99.99% of the time, what do we do in the name of Mananam? Pulo Ratanam. We immediately vomit out the what? Heard knowledge. That's why I really object many times to this. Immediately will not like that. Without thinking. Is that okay? So sometimes people who are listening for the first time are at a greater advantage because they'll say, what? They'll start thinking. People who have heard a lot will say immediately, black. So without even it going through any process, it will just come out. Without it being totally digested. It's just repeated rather than digested. Are you understanding the difference between the two? So don't do that, okay? Right, there you are. So, is the Jivatma big or small? It is inside you for sure? See, you see the contradictions or you don't? If the contradiction hasn't struck you, I'm not going to say it. You understand what I'm trying to say? So many times we say that I'm not going to give you the contradictions that is there in it. Why? Because I want you to figure it out. Okay, so now what happens to this whole thing? What is this process that we are talking about? Can you elaborate? The Rishi says, I will elaborate. And let us see what he says. Okay, we go to the next mantra. Eki bhavati na pashyati iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na jigrati iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na rasayate iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na vadati iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na shrunoti iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na manute iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na sprishati iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na vijanati iti ahuhu. Tasya etasya hridayasya agre pradyotate tena pradyotena esha atma nishkramati chakshushto va murdhno va anyebhyo va sharira deshebhyah tam utkramantam prano anukramati pranam anutkramantam sarve prana anutkramanti savijnano bhavati savijnanam eva anvavakramati tam vidya karmani samanvarabhete purva prajna cha. What happens? It says, eki bhavati na pashyati iti ahuhu. When a person is about to die or is seen like that, doctors would be familiar. And it says, eki bhavati na pashyati iti ahuhu. Others say, okay, not that person. Others say what? Na pashyati. He does not see. Iti ahuhu. Eki bhavati na jigrati iti ahuhu. Then he does not smell. Na jigrati. He does not smell. That is what they say. Eki bhavati na rasayate. You put something in this mouth, then what happens? Na rasayate iti ahuhu. He does not say. Who says? Others. Eki bhavati na shrunoti iti ahuhu. He cannot hear. Eki bhavati na manute iti ahuhu. He does not think. Eki bhavati na sprishati iti ahuhu. No feeling. Eki bhavati na vijanati. He does not understand or know anything. He doesn't think, he doesn't know, he doesn't feel, he has no emotions, nothing. Now, what happens at the time? This Eki bhavati will understand. Very interesting. Now, what is this that comes together? So, it is called Sukshma Sharira or Linga Sharira. What is it called? Some of you who have listened to Vedanta know what I am talking about. Sukshma Sharira consists of these factors. What are they? The Pancha Jnanendriya, the 5 sense organs of perception. Which are they? Come on, we have already talked. Ability to hear, don't say ears. Ability to hear, ability to see, ability to smell, ability to touch, ability to taste. Is it okay? So these, Pancha Jnana. Then the Pancha Karmendriya. What are the Pancha Karmendriya? Not hands, ability to grasp. Please again, this problem will come. It's not hands. Hands don't go Eki bhavati, nothing happens. Hands remain here only. You understand? What happens? The ability to grasp. Hands have the ability, karma shakti. So, ability to this. Then, ability to walk. Then, ability to speak. Then, ability to reproduce. Ability to excrete. So, all these also are called Pancha Karmendriya. Then we have what is called Pancha Pranas. What are the Pancha Pranas? Circulation, digestion. Thinking, of course, is there. Udana, we call it Udana, also is reversal processes. Okay, in simple way. What are they called? All reversal processes come into what? Udana. So when you vomit, which is the one that is in action? Udana. Of course, there are other upapranas and all that. We won't go into all of that. So, which are this? So, prana, apana, circulation. Then digestion is very, very important. Excretion is very important. And what other ones? Vyana. Vyana is what? Circulation. So I think we covered all the 5 this. And reproduction also is there. Reproduction comes in that. Respiration is over. So all these 5 what? Physiological functions are called what? Pranas, Pancha Pranas. So Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Prana, and then what? Actually 4. Mana Buddhi Chitta Ahankara. Mana Buddhi, normally they will say Mana Buddhi only. So they will say 17 factors. But you can say also 19 factors. Why? If you say Chitta Ahankara also, then it becomes 19. ये सब 17 या 19 जो चीज़ है, उसको जब एकत्रित होती है, उस पूरे के पूरे को क्या कहते हैं? लिंग शरीर या सूक्ष्म शरीर. Why is it called लिंग शरीर? Because it is the indication of life. Linga. Linga means indicator. When we say Shiva Linga, what do we mean by Shiva Linga? It indicates Shiva. Represents Shiva, symbolizes Shiva, indicates Shiva. वैसे ही ये लिंग शरीर, सूक्ष्म शरीर. Why is it called सूक्ष्म शरीर? Both these words are very important. Why is it called सूक्ष्म शरीर? Because that which is not perceived by the 5 senses is called सूक्ष्म. It is made up of the Sukshma Pancha Mahabhuta. the subtle elements, and it is what? Sukshma, because it is not perceived. The minute the word sukshma is used, means it is in comparison with what is called sthula. Sthula, this is called what sharir? Sthula sharir. Why is it called sthula sharir? I can see it, I can touch it, I can taste it, I can smell it, and I can, what else is left? Hear it also. Yeah, sometimes don't you hear what all is happening inside the body, outside, and then dhaka, dum, all that, na? My heart became fast, tum, 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 tum. I thought it was going to come out. It was almost like my heart was going to. So, what do we mean? These are all the, what do you call it, the Sukshma Sharira, because it cannot be seen. You cannot see the Sukshma Sharira. Can you see the ability to hear? Or hear the ability to hear? You cannot. That is why it's called Sukshma Sharira. So this is called Linga Sharira. And this is a very important body. Is it right now there with you? Yes. If that body was not functioning, what would happen? Ram Nam Satya Hai. Isn't it true? What would we? Okay. So, can you all wake up? Okay. So what happens? This Linga Sharira, when a doctor, is checking whether a person is there, what is he checking? All this only. When he says pulse means what? The circulation and all only. Na? If there's no circulation, can there be a pulse? No. And then the nervous system and the circulatory system and the... Don't we? What is this? What are you doing? Whether he's breathing in or not. Yeah? And then you touch him and all. Kuch nahi. Don't we this? Now, it's very interesting. So, eki bhavati. I always call this the process of packing up. And I'm telling you, what do we do? As the aging happens, what do we start doing? So, what do we pack? We pack the Sukshma Sharira. Is it okay? Doesn't it happen after some time? Like I could not. What is happening? Can't see. And then? Interestingly, people who can't hear, they don't want to wear hearing aids. Because sometimes they can hear, sometimes they can't hear. So sometimes when they hear, they become what? नहीं मेरे को सुनाई, अरे बाबा नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. No. Isn't it? Hearing also, it packs off. And then sometimes, isn't it? Nowadays the packing off happens quite early. Even I can't sit anymore. What is happening? Packing has started. Sometimes they do knee replacement. थोड़ा वापस, थोड़ा life देते हैं कि नहीं? Then again this unpacking started. Then they'll change the heart also. They change heart? Heart transplant, liver transplant. So something like that, and then again little bit of Shakti comes back and now my digestion is very good. When they do that bypass, initially this is all there, and after that they feel so good. They start running around here. Have you seen people like that? Yeah. Why? Now blood is circulating very nicely and you very good. So, but all of you, I tell you, we reach our peak by 14, 15, 18. After that is only downhill. Remember that. What? Is it a fact or not? Peak vitality is what age? 18. And after that? So what are you doing? So when you're doing all this packing, you must understand that क्या है? बोलो, जब पैकिंग करने लगते तो क्या हो गया? Swami ji, stop that right now. Don't talk anymore. Don't scare me. But that doesn't mean we immediately go. Okay? So I always talk about the transfer. When you transfer, you have a transfer job. What do? So they know that then the transfer order comes. So you go and tell your wife, कि अभी क्या 3 महीने में. So supposing they are staying in a place like Coimbatore, and then they are transferred to a bigger city, Chennai. So what they feel, Arey, Chennai. So they're all very happy, we're going to get this. And naturally, they will not want to go in the middle of the school season, because kids are studying and all that. So they know that once the exam is there, they have to go. So all the things which are completely not used, they will start packing first, right? Then afterwards, all the slowly closer to the time, the other things start getting packed up, and then finally only the bare minimum, whatever. And that time, have you seen people becoming very generous at that time? All of a sudden, they yeah, you take that, yes, you also take that and all. And then you realize how much nonsense you have collected. Is it a fact or not? For no reason you have collected so many things. You all must have realized also that you brought so many clothes which was not necessary. Many times people tell me, Swamiji, you should tell beforehand that we are giving what? This robe and all that and all. Then we would not have brought. Please don't keep wearing the same this again and again. Otherwise everyone's senses will become very troubled. Please. So anyway, so what happens then? So you start packing and all. And then the final time that comes, what happens? In the good old days, nowadays you get packers and all and they do it, right? The packers come, 1, 2, 3, 4, cut. In one day only, they manage to pack, or 2 days, they manage to pack the whole thing, and then they'll have a truck. And then the truck and all go away, right? And then you go on your own. But in the good old days, it didn't happen like that. Do you remember any one of you on the highway, you used to see trucks with everything hanging out, some chair will be there and some big string will. Have you all seen or not? And then sometimes someone will be standing there also because something may fall and all this, because you don't know. Haven't you seen things falling also like that in our country? Mera Bharat Mahan. So many things can happen. Because the roads were wonderful, Thakak, doom, dam. Ek kursi chala gaya. So the man is there sitting, kursi andar wapas dalo, pack karo. So anyway, here you have this whole thing, and this person goes and then takes it, right? So this is exactly what is being described here. What do? Sukshma Sharir. And interesting, you don't leave anything behind. Which part of Sukshma Sharir is left behind? We are so good at packing. In the present day, you call packers, cut karke hai na. Hum bhi, supposing there's an accident and a person dies. Does it mean he leaves something behind? Arey accident mein gaya, arey ekdam fast gaya. To kya bolne ka band nahi hua, abhi bhi bol raha hai. Does it happen like that? Bolo. He's still talking. He forgot to pack that. The rest he packed and chala gaya. Hota hai kya aise kabhi? If he's still talking, you will say what? What will you say? नहीं वो तो चला गया बोलता अभी बंद वो पूरी जिंदगी बोला अभी भी बोल रहा है. Does it happen like that? बोलो. Finally the wife says अब भी बंद हुआ बोलना. अच्छा, thank God. Whatever, I'm not just saying. You understand? The person is very interesting. When person is about to die, then they always call Chunnu, Munnu, Sunnu. All 3 children have come. Then all this is then they'll say grandfather. The grandchild is also there. Dekho, ye Naresh hai, Kuchu hai, Chuku hai, all that. Okay, fine. Then the man is like, very much. All the relatives, this are there and all. Then he's saying, Sahab chale jao, sirf Chunnu, Munnu and Sunnu stay. So Chunnu, Munnu, Sunnu stay, and all the rest of the daughter-in-law, the grandchildren are sent away. Then our guy says what? I have a Swiss bank account. All of a sudden, children say, what? We didn't know. You have what? He says, what? I want to tell you the number of the Swiss bank account. If he dies before that, then gaya. There's no one else who knows that the government of Switzerland or whatever bank is there becomes richer. That's about it. So all of them have taken a pen and paper and they're saying, I want to tell you, please. So he says, S 2 5 Then they say, okay, can you hear us? Yes. We will point out finger, you have to say. Okay. Next number. एकी भवति न पश्यति एकी भवति न वदति. You understand? Now, thinking is happening, you think, and he's thinking, yeah, doctor says, yeah, maybe inside thinking and all, now what to do? How to get into that? So they say, please keep him alive till the numbers come out at least. So what happens then after slowly, in Chandogya Upanishad also, Vang, Manasi, everything, how it goes exactly, it is described also. One by one, all the packing happens. And then finally, when does the jiva go? When does the jiva go? It goes when it has to go. What time will it go? There is no time like that. What age will the person go? Your life, our life is not measured by what? By age. It's not measured by the this and all. It is measured by the breaths that you take. How is it measured? By the breaths. That is decided. What? Yes. How many breaths you take, that is what your life is. Ayu is decided by that. So if you breathe very fast, what will happen? When you get angry, your breathing becomes what? I lost a little bit of my life now trying to demonstrate. You get it? So when the mind is calm, love and this and all, your breathing automatically becomes what? Isn't it true? When they tell you, they do shavasana, relax. Then say nicely also, I don't know how they say, but there are some people, each one has his own way. Relax. Very interesting ways. Then what happens? Relax. And you see when the person is sleeping, the breathing pattern completely changes, no? Yes or no? Some of you do that even in the class. Your breathing pattern changes. And what happens? Relax. Completely relax. So, what happens? This slowly, the breath, as the number of breath, that's why it says, Shwase nahi, do not trust your breathing. In the sense what? Once it goes out, we don't know whether it's going to come back. If it comes back, hai, gaya to gaya. Fir wapas. Shwase nahi vishwasaha, like that they say. What? ये श्वास में विश्वास नहीं करते. एक बार अंदर गया तो ठीक ही है और बाहर आया. What do we do immediately? Supposing you don't get, immediately you do that, na? Why? Because the jiva wants to stay. Right? Its time is not up. And that is why one of the most, see, we breathe naturally. Isn't it true? We just breathe. You were not taught, how to breathe, how to breathe. But believe me, you can forget how to breathe. Doctors will tell you. Supposing you've been on a ventilator for a long time, because they are doing all the work, you start becoming what? Then they have to teach you again. Take a breath. Is it true or not, doctors? You've not experienced this, so you don't know. You just automatically, what? Breathe. But sometimes you have to be taught. Because thank God Bhagwan did all this. Thank God, no. Really thank him, na. I'm not saying thank God as a phrase. I'm saying thank God. कितनी बढ़िया बात है कि नहीं. We are so ungrateful for everything we've got. We just take it for granted. क्या सिस्टम बनाया है ना, कमाल का है कि नहीं. बोलो. Eki bhavati. This is what happens. So slowly and slowly everything comes together. It is said, then hridayasya, what is said over here? Tasya etasya hridayasya agre pradyotate. So when the time comes, so many times people, there is always given cause of death. Cause of death, and the certificate, death certificate, there is always written what? Cause of death. And interesting, there will be, so some say heart attack or something, or whatever. When the person just goes because of old age, what do you call it? Anything particular you say over there? Natural death. Okay, fine. Natural death. Then so many things will be there, this and one person wrote, the doctor, someone wrote, no, that person can't write, the one who's gone, but it was written, cause of death, doctor. Oh, you Rama! It is possible also, cause of death, doctor. Anyway, please doctors, don't take offense, it was just meant as a joke, because there are 4 of them. I will need them, so I'm not joking about it. Okay, fine. Now, so, see, when your time has come, you have to go, full stop. So that doesn't mean, abhi time aa gaya, abhi kuch karne ki zarur nahi, uska time hoega to rahega, nahi hoega to jayega. We should not, the others must not do like that, okay? They must take care of the person, right? Bolo. Yes. You must take care of that person. Not that his time will be there, he will stay. Otherwise, he will go when he wants to go. No. So when things are there, you take care. You absolutely take care of the person, right? Why? Because he's supposed to stay, so people will be taking care. And then so many times it has seen, gaya. Even the doctors also say, ki abhi kuch nahi kar sakte, we can't do anything. And they come back happily. 5 years, you're there everywhere. Is it true or not? They said, serious, what happened? He was seriously about to, and then? And we all say, medical miracle, doctor was very good, he brought him back. Doctor brought him back? Doctor was an instrument in bringing him back. His time had not come. Is it okay? Bolo. Because, especially Corona time, lot of people ask, why? So many people and all. Didn't we all become very upset at a particular point of time? Because we kept on hearing news. It was really bad. It was terrible. There is almost no one, every one of you has experienced someone whom you knew passed away. Is it true or not? There's not one of us who's sitting over here has not had someone whom we knew. Personally knew the person who has not, is gone. So it was really tragic. It was quite sad. Right? Now, at that point you can't say, "Arey, time aa gaya tera." Don't do that. We are talking all this for our understanding, okay? Don't be bad and tell anyone, "Arey, tera time aayega, rahega to rahega, nahi rahega to time aayega to jayega." Don't do these things, okay? Please. Understanding of Vedanta should make you more what? Okay, but we have to understand all this. This is what actually happens. And who goes? Along with the Jivatma. So Jivatma goes with this whole baggage which we call Sukshma Sharira. Is it okay? But before it goes, this is the interesting part of the whole thing. This also was interesting, but this is interesting also. It knows where it goes. What? That is said over here, pradyodate hridayasya. And then now we'll go to how it goes. How does the jivatma live? See, medical science says what? Life has gone. That's about it. For them what? Life has gone. We say no, life has gone. Nahi, aisa nahi hota hai. We say jivatma leaves the gross body. That's how we say. What is death? What? The jivatmas exit from the gross body along with the subtle body. Is it okay? This is what we call Vedanta. We say this. Now, how does it go? So it is said, whichever is the door with which it goes through, it knows that this is the door it will go. Why? Because it has to go. Supposing I want to go backstage, which is the door which I will use which door will I use? I will use this door. If I want to go out to the Ganesha temple, which door will I use? I will use this door. If I want to go to the kitchen very quickly, which door I will use? This door. If I want to go to the Kala Bhairava Linga quickly, which door I will use? This door. So depending on the place that I am going, I will use a particular door. Is that okay to understand? Where I want to go will decide the door I will use. Oh, so I know where I want to go, so I use the door accordingly. अरे ये लिखा है, मैं अपना नहीं बोल रही हूँ. हृदयस्य अग्रे प्रद्योतते. It shines, I know. And then I choose the door. So here it is said, which door I will choose? Some choose, it is said, Atma, meaning the Jivatma, Utkramati, Chakshushtah va Murtna va Anyebhyo va. So here it is said, either it goes through the eyes, the door of the eye, it may go through the door of the Brahmarandra, the top, or Anyebhya, other doors. What door is there? So, some of you, maybe doctors will understand better. When the person leaves, sometimes some stools will come out. Some they excrete. At the time of this, they might excrete. So, what do you understand? Kahan se gaya? Sometimes through the nose something happens. Yes, something will come out. Then which exit road did the Jivatma take? Sometimes from the throat something will come out. So where did it go? Is it true or not? Sometimes. So these are different doors are used by the Jivatma to exit. How does it exit? The Jivatma uses the force of the Udana Vayu to leave the body. Okay? What? The Udana Vayu. Why the Udana Vayu? See, when you want to go to, the rocket goes to outer space. How does it go? You've seen rocket launching, na? Everyone has seen. This is very interesting, this. So what does it do? The rocket, it gives a lot of, what? That first the thing, that bottom thing gets all lit. Haven't you all seen? It's very dramatic. Whoosh, like a lot of this and all. And with that pressure and that force, whoosh, isn't it? Because, and then in between there's a booster also. Because it has to, counter the gravity of the earth. So it gives an extra boost and then it goes to a particular place and then, okay? So similarly, this Jivatma, which has been in this body for X number of years, इसको इस शरीर को छोड़ के जाना है. तो उदान वायु क्या करता है? वो पुश देता है ना? तो ये जीवात्मा along with this takes this and leaves the body through one of the orifices. Is that okay? Why are you looking sad? What is there to be sad about? I'm telling you, at this point, laugh about the whole thing. So when things actually happen, you will only still be laughing and not, what? Crying. Is that okay? So the Jivatma leaves. Packing ho gaya, it takes that whole bag and it starts going in that truck. I told you, it stands there na, it holds also, कि कुछ गिर नहीं जाए. Bye. The friends are also waiting. Bye. Bye. Gaya. Okay. Now, it carries the Sukshma Sharir. Now comes a very, very interesting thing. It is said, Vijanati. It knows. Sa Vijnanavan bhavati. Sa Vijnato bhavati. This knowing part we want to know. What does it know? How does it guide? Which GPS does it use to go? Where does it to go? Transfer order we get 3 months before. Will this Jivatma also know long back for, okay, I'm going to this XYZ place? Will it know? Or it will know only at the time of death? And can it go different place? Even though it is said here, then can it change the this and all in between? Say, nahi, nahi, mere ko ye acha nahi lagta hai, let us go here. Can we do that? No. Yes. At the time of death, are we independent in dying and not dying? Can I choose? No, I don't like this death, I will die some other time. No. But haven't you heard of our guy, dear guy? Who? Bhishmacharya? He chose na Ichha Marana. Did he or did he not? So we are independent? No. Bhishma is independent. No? My job is to make you think.
We can do it. We are independent. Somebody chooses to
Suicide means he is independent? No. Someone killed someone then? He didn't want to die. Swamiji, this death is not very interesting. Is it interesting or not? Because you're alive, you should know about all this. Na? See, when you've come into this world, you should know how to go out. You come into any room, you should know how to exit. Should you not? Supposing there is only one way entry. You all know that the course started, it will get over. Otherwise, would you have come if it is forever? No. First you ask, kab khatam hota hai? Isn't it? Before even the lecture also you ask, kitne baje khatam hoga? Arey, time ho gaya. Ha, thank God. You understand? That 1 hour, how you wait for that 1 hour to get over? Japa time? Then you know the minute it gets over, I'm going to take this. And already you have reached your room. So many of you. Mentally, have you or have you not? By the time, I have to do this, when I go there, I want to this and that, I'll do that and I'll call him or her and then I have to ask about that. And already last 5 minutes is only what? Sa Vijnato bhavati. Knows about where he is going to go, what road he is going to take, what he is going to do. Is it true or not? See, ये क्या शास्त्र है ना हमारे लोग सब बताया है. Okay, so what is the baggage that we carry and what baggage we should unload, what we should put in our bag when we go, that all we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.